the old roof off the big girl. New roof's been put on. She'll weld it up now. Got a good gap. Still got me the same measurement from top to bottom, so that's all good. Yeah. Much better. Got a good gap on it. That rust is done. Well, that's done too, both sides. Jumping between doing HT over there and I'm doing this. Working between the two. Sunday's my day. But yeah, there she is. Roof's done. That can go in the bin. Gotta love it, don't you? Oh well. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Alright, so we're all clean now. The only other bits I want to do, I'm going to do a little bit here on the door, and there's a bit on the floor. There's a little hole here. I'll fix that. I've treated all the rest of the stuff. And a couple on this side. Let's have a look at this side. So this side, got the door there, that little bit. It's good on the inside. Well, it'll clean up. And I've got this bit here that I want to fix. And then, well, then's anybody's question. You could own this. Big girl. Alright. That's what I've got left to do on it. Not much. Cheers.